Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here in the Bethesda office at Natural Transplants. Today, we welcome Luke. Luke is from not too far in Maryland.
Yep.
Welcome, man. How you feeling?
Feeling good. Pretty excited.
More excited than nervous, which is good.
Yeah, it's been on my mind for a couple years now, so I'm finally getting it over with.
Very cool. And you're 27 years old.
Yep.
Awesome. Tell us your story a little bit, if you don't mind. What brings you to us today?
Yeah. I guess after college is when I started, losing my hair and it started becoming more obvious. So, yeah, as a 27-year-old, the last thing you want to see is your hair losing. I have to doing the whole sweep over, comb over. So.
And you got some older brothers who do not have this problem yet.
Yeah.
So a little unfortunate, but they may catch up to you. So you do the sweep over like we talked about. Obviously, it kind of looks covered now. We sort of pull back the hair, and you can see you got pretty significant loss of that frontal third. I'm gonna have you just bend down a little bit just so we can get a better look. So today we are going to work on just filling in this whole frontal third area. We're going to go into this middle strip. It's pretty weak, and you're probably, as we talked about, going to lose that as time goes on. So I'm going to uniformly distribute the hair evenly throughout that frontal third so we can anticipate this will be lost in the future. Sound good? All right?
Sound good to me.
All right, man. So we're going to draw everything out, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll come back and check in with you after that. All right? All right. Check in a little bit. Thanks. All right, we are back with Luke, and Luke, unfortunately, we got an embarrassing haircut right now, but as we've done some shaving here. This won't be a long video, I promise you. We've done some shaving, we've drawn out the line. I think it's a nice natural look on you. It's not doing too much, but still, making a big improvement. And so, obviously the hair that we swept back, we're going to fill in the frontal third. He grew his hair out kind of in a way where after 4 days when he can start covering it, he can still kind of sweep the hair over and cover it. So that's the way he preferred to do it, which is great. We've shaved the back as well too. We got 2 Valium on board. Hasn't kicked in quite yet, but you doing okay?
Doing all right.
Okay, awesome. So we are ready to go to the other room. We'll check on you a little bit later. Thanks again for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully this can help somebody out. But I'm excited, man. We'll head to the next room. We'll start doing it, and we'll check in with you a little later today.
Sounds good.
All right, cool. All right, Luke, we are back, man. We are just finishing up. How are you feeling, man?
Feeling good, yeah.
Doing okay? All right. I think you dozed off a little bit there for a while, but you having any pain, any discomfort at all?
No, I've been relaxing the entire time.
Cool. Excellent, man. Everything looks great. I'm really happy we got the extra strip. We got a lot of grafts. We're sort of doing an action shot here. We have probably maybe just a couple more minutes left, and then we'll go over all the instructions, what to do, what not to do, and get a final video for you, okay?
Great.
All right, man. See you in a few. All right, Luke, we are done, man. Congratulations.
Thanks so much.
Long day for you. Actually went really smooth. How'd today go? Be honest.
Honestly, so great. I took a nap, had some snacks. Other than that, just relaxed. It was over before I knew it. But
watched a little bit of Breaking Bad.
Yeah, it was a good time.
So I'm really happy with the way things went. I love the line on you. I'm gonna have Zane zoom in a little bit. You got a boatload of grafts. We really packed it in. I don't think I could have packed it any tighter than that. The 1 and 2 hair grafts up front, zigzaggy line, so it's much more natural when it comes in. It looks a little strange now, but when it comes in and grows in, it looks much more natural that way. Right. Everything behind that first couple rows are all the multiple hair grafts, anywhere from 2 to 4, 2 to 5 hairs in each one.
Great.
And then I'm gonna spin you around, and you can't even see. Your hair's long enough up top, you can't even see where the suture line is. If I lifted it up, you'd be able to see the stitches.
Perfect.
But it looks great. I'm really happy with it. Keep the hair off it for the first couple days, so you have a nice little ponytail in the back there. Thanks for doing this. This is awesome. I look forward to following you along over the next couple days, or next couple months, and hopefully in a year we'll see some good results, and hopefully we can share it with everybody. Yeah. Any words of advice, or anybody thinking about doing it?
No, I would say it's been seamless. It's been great. You guys have been awesome to me, so just thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Appreciate you sharing your story with everybody, and welcome to the family, the Natural Transplants family, and look forward to seeing you over the next couple months.
Oh, my pleasure.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.